White Bull's Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.
How the hell we doing, barbecue fam? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time, hit that bell. It's Chris here from White Bull's Barbecue, and we're gonna be doing some breakfast smash burgers on the Traeger Ranger. Let's go. We got this thing cranked up around 300, 350. We're gonna get this cast iron nice and hot. We're going bacon, then we're going egg, then we're going patty. We're gonna get a good yolk pop and all that. So let's jump right into this quick recipe. All right, so first things first. We got our patties already made up. We're using 80-20 beef chuck, all right, ground beef. Just enough fat. You want some grease on this. That's the whole point of this, greasy patties. We got one egg, farm raised, nice and good, you know, one of those darker eggs. If you can get one of those, that's what you're looking for. And then we got thick cut bacon. It's not maple smoked or any of that shit. It's just regular thick cut bacon. We're gonna put the rub for beef from White Bull's Barbecue on all of this. Our Traeger Ranger's coming up to heat, so let's get this going. We're gonna go bacon first. Now, as our bacon's going, I just wanna make this point to you guys. Let's take a look. You see how these are not super compacted, right? There's a little bit of air in there. And the reason for that is the Maillard effect, AKA that crust that you're gonna get when you smash them, is because the air pockets in this is gonna allow for it to fry in its own greases. That's where the magic happens. So make sure you don't pack these too tight or they're not gonna be the right kind of smash burgers. Let's go. Let's take a look at that bacon. We're about 5 to 10 minutes in, somewhere. It's time to get this bacon off and set it aside. Let's take a look. You got your cast plate nice and hot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready? Boom. Now once they're smashed, you gotta add your rub, so let's do it. Once you add your rub, let it sizzle for a little. We are now entering the Maillard zone. This is where that crispiness comes from. So let's close this up and give it a minute before we flip it over and cheese it. All right, now we're going for that flip. Boom. Got a little crust on there. Oh yeah. Time to cheese them. Put your brioche buns down for a minute. Let them toast up. You got plenty of grease, plenty of fat on there. Give it about 30 seconds and then spin them. Once you got your brioche toasted, it's time for that egg. We're gonna keep this sunny side up. We want that yolk pop action. Let's go. So, you see we got beautiful smash burgers here. I'm doubling up on this one. We're gonna go egg on top, then bacon strips, and then we're gonna get some yolk pop action and tear into this. Let's fucking go. All right guys, now this is where the magic happens. As you could see, we got 2 strips of bacon, we got an over easy egg, we got a double smash burger. Now it's time to go in for the pop. All right, it's your favorite part of the show. It's time for that taste test, boy. Let's go. First and foremost, yeah, buddy. Come on, bro. Put some respect on my name, and let's go in for the bite. Wow. 2 bites will do. Do this recipe. Do this recipe now. If you haven't yet, hit that like and subscribe. Hit that bell. Tell me what you want to see next time in the comments, and I'll see you next time. The best damn barbecue ever.
White Bull's BBQ, the best damn barbecue ever.